I want to talk about this leaf blower that FLORA sent me to do a video on. My favorite feature about this is the power. This is cordless and it's battery powered and it takes Dewalt batteries. It does not come with them, but I have a lot of Dewalt tools, so I already have a lot of Dewalt batteries, so this is great. This is light. It's designed for one-handed operation, so it's going to be great for pretty much anything. Right here I'm going to use it. I've got a little bit of debris on my deck, some pine needles and some leaves and a few things I just want to get off after a quick storm, and it makes quick work of it right here. You can see no problem whatsoever. Now this is also going to be good for anything like light snow in the wintertime. I think will be very handy, not just for like cleaning off the deck, but especially cleaning off cars. If you live up in the north and you get a lot of snow, you know that can be a real pain. So I think this would be really valuable for that. And like I said, the lightweight makes it easy for one-handed operation to move around. Max airspeed is 190 miles per hour, so it can move some stuff. Not a lot of leaves around the yard right now, but I stepped in the woods, found a few. You can see right here, even a little bit of moisture right after the rain. It's still moving them around, which is fantastic. You can tell this has a lot of power. So who's this going to be good for? Anyone who has some debris or snow or leaves to move and wants a light option that's very powerful and easy to move around. If you'd like to pick up one for yourself, click on the link in the description below.